So children, in the first part we have seen area of a triangle and practice set 15.6. Okay, now the next topic is area of a circle. See, this is the figure, it has been given and the center is given here, and this will be the radius r. Small r is noted as a radius. So there are some points to remember under this topic. First, diameter is equal to 2 into radius, which is equal to 2 into r. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r or pi into d. Then area of circle is pi r square. So with these 3 points we will continue the next, how to find the area of a circle. Children, here one activity is given in your textbook. So this circle is divided into the parts. How many parts? See the figure. That is 16 parts we have been divided here. The circle, one circle is divided into 16 parts. And what we have done to this circle, after drawing these parts, we have cut one by one parts and removed those parts, and in this way we have suffixed the parts. Here the one part, the below part is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. In this way we have connected these parts, all 16 parts of this circle. So which type of figure is found over here? In such a way that this activity we will do. First of all, what to do in this activity? First, draw a circle on a card sheet. Cut the circle from the sheet. Divide the circular paper into 16 or 32 equal parts by paper folding, or make 18 or 20 equal parts by dividing 360 degree in equal parts. Then get the sectors by cutting them along the red eye. Join all these sectors as shown in the figure. After cutting each part, we have to join like this. We get nearly a rectangle. So which type of figure we get here? We get a rectangle. As we go on increasing the number of parts of the circle, the shape of the figure is more and more like that of a rectangle. In this way, so out of the circle, if you divide a circular paper into 16 or 32 equal parts by paper folding, then what we get? The shape which we get after cutting those parts and rejoin it, that figure we get as a rectangle. Now what will be the circumference of a circle? Circumference of circle is given as 2 pi r. That means, therefore, the length of the rectangle should be pi into r, that is semi-circumference. Pi into r is what? Semi-circumference. And breadth is what? Breadth is only r. So length of rectangle is pi into r, that is the semi-circumference, and breadth is given as r. So what will be the area of the circle? Area of the circle means area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. So length is given as pi r and breadth is given as r. Therefore, from this activity we know area of circle is equal to pi into r square. Okay. So with this activity we will go towards the next part. So you have to read out this activity and draw the circular part. Take 16 parts and cut it and then rejoin it. Okay children, so this activity you will do at home. Then let us solve some solved examples from the textbook. First, if radius of a circle is 21 centimeter, then find its area. Area of circle is what? Just now we have seen the formula, pi r square. Pi, that is, what is the value of pi? We naturally take pi as 22 upon 7 into r. R is what? Radius of circle is given as 21, so 21 square. So what we will write? 22 upon 7 into 21 square means 21 upon 1 into 21 upon 1. So after cancellation we will get 66 into 21. So what is the answer? 1386 square centimeter. So this is the area of a circle. Now next example, area of a circular ground is 3850 square meter. Find the radius of the circular ground. So area of circular ground is pi r square. That is the area of a circle. Circular ground is given in circle shape. So area of circular ground is pi r square. Now area is given as 3850 and pi value we know as 22 upon 7 into r square. So what will be r square? 3850 is multiplied by 7 divided by 22. So what will be r square then? 1225. If r square is 1225, what will be r? Square root of 1225, that is 35 meter. So r is 35 meter. Therefore radius of the ground is 35 meter. Now 2 examples are over. Let us see practice set 15.6. That was 15.5. Now we will start practice set 15.6. So radii of circles are given below. Find their areas. That is 28 centimeter is given. That is the radius. So one by one we will solve using the formula of area of circle. What is given? Radius. Radius r is given as 28 centimeter. Which formula we will use? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Now pi is 22 upon 7 into r square means 28 square. So 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28, that is after cancellation what we get? 2464. So area of circle is 2464 square centimeter. In this way let us find the area for the other radius of the circle. So first question, first part is over. First question, second part, that is 10.5 centimeter is given. So this is given as radius. Radius r is given as 10.5 centimeter. What will be the area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. That is 22 upon 7 into r square is 10.5 whole square. Now 10.5 into 10.5, which is multiplied with 22 upon 7. After multiplication what we get? 346.5 square centimeter. Therefore area of circle is 346.5 square centimeter. So question number 1, second part sub question is also over. Now let us see question number 1, third sub question. 17.5 centimeter. This is what? Radius is given. Radius r is given as 17.5 centimeter. So area of circle is pi r square. Substitute the value of pi, 22 upon 7, and r is 17.5 whole square. So 22 upon 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. So what will be the answer? 962.5 square centimeter. This is the answer. Therefore area of circle is 962.5 square centimeter. Now here question number 1 is over. Let us start question number 2. Areas of some circles are given below. Find their diameters. Now here what we have to find? Diameter we have to find, and areas are given. So this 176 square centimeter is the area of a circle. So let us start with the formula. Area of circle is pi r square. We know this formula. So substitute the value for area. Area is 176. It is equal to, we know the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. And r we don't know. So r square as it is. Now 176 is multiplied with 7 upon 22. This 22 upon 7 will go to the next side of is equal to sign. It will be interchange. Denominator and numerator, that is the reciprocal. So 176 into 7 upon 22, which is equal to r square. Now after cancellation 176 by 22, you will get 8. 8 into 7 is equal to r square, and r square is 56. 7 8 is 56. So r will be under root 56 centimeter. We cannot find the square root of 56. So keep it as it is and put the value of r in the formula of diameter. Diameter is equal to what? 2 into radius, that is 2r. So 2 into r means what? Under root 56. So 2 into root 56 means diameter is equal to 2 root 56 centimeter. In this way we have found the diameter of the first circle. Okay, so the second question, first question is over. Now for second question, again second sub question. So again the area is given 394.24 square centimeter. Use the same formula. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Substitute the value for area. 394.24 is equal to value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. Now interchange the numerator and denominator, take a reciprocal and remove the decimal point. So after removing the decimal point, what we get? 39,424 upon 100 into 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Therefore r square is equal to what? If you multiply it and cancel it, so 12,544 upon 100. Therefore r is equal to what? Square root of these numbers, numerator and denominator. Therefore r is equal to 112 upon 10. That is 112 upon 10 means 11 upon 11.2. So r is, radius is 11.2 centimeter. Now what is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2r. So 2 into 11.2. 11.2 into 2 is what? 22.4 centimeter. Therefore diameter is equal to 22.4 centimeter. Okay children, in this way the second sub question is also over. Now the third sub question of second question, that is 12,474 square centimeter. This is given as area. So which formula again? Area of circle is pi r square. So substitute the value of area as 12,474, which is equal to pi means 22 upon 7 into r square. So now again take the reciprocal, multiply here. 12,474 is multiplied with 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. So after cancellation, what we get? 567 into 7 is equal to r square. So r square will be 3,969. So r will be square root of 3,969. It is equal to what? 63. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, because we have to find the diameter. So substitute the value for r, that is 2 into 63 is 126 centimeter. Now we get diameter as 126 centimeter. Children, here we have finished the third sum also. And now as we have finished 2 questions of practice set 15.6, the next part we will see in tomorrow or in the next period.